The self-distancing paradigm for children is significant because it allows researchers to answer questions about children's use of self-distancing or creating mental distance from the self and how that influences their self-regulation. The main advantage of this technique is it can be used to test the influence of the self-distancing strategy while children as young as 4 years of age work on self-regulation tasks.
Begin by escorting the child into the testing room. Show the tablet to the child and say, "Okay, I'm going to show you a game on this tablet before we start our work." Next, inform the child. "This is the game. Have you ever played Where's My Water before?" Wait for the child's response and then say, "In this game, you want to get the water into the pipes so the alligator can take his shower. To get the water to him, you have to move the dirt out of the way. See how moving my finger on the screen digs through the dirt? On the tablet, drag finger through the dirt." Then, tell the child, "After the dirt is out of the way, the water can flow to the pipes. I want the water to go to this pipe, so I'm going to move my finger like this, and drag the finger the rest of the way so that the water flows to the pipe." Ask the child if they understood how the water got into the pipes. After the child responds, hand the tablet to the child and let them try. Finally, once the child completes the level, say, "Great, that's the game you will get to play later." Begin by placing the device next to the computer so that it is easily accessible to the child while they are sitting at the computer. Introduce the work task to the